So the other day, my stepdaughter came over for Sunday night family dinner. She was talking about Cardi B and Pepsi, esports, and doing Fortnite dances with my 7-year-old son. I thought, wow, millennials do speak another language. I was curious, but I wanted to avoid embarrassment. A safe thing to do would have been to sneak away to my office and do a few Google searches. But I would have missed out on an opportunity. Do you sometimes avoid entering into conversations where you feel you aren't current on the latest trends? Perhaps it happens in a business setting and you're not quite comfortable talking to clients about things that are kind of outside of your area of expertise. Well, the risk is that we miss opportunities. A better approach is to start by asking questions, not about Cardi B, but about cloud computing today. So my role at Deloitte is to promote our cloud transformation services business, and I need your help. We need to have more conversations about cloud with our clients because we can help them save money and enable a powerful source of business innovation. So what exactly are we talking about here? Let's ground ourselves in a definition. Amazon Web Services defines cloud computing as the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet in a pay-as-you-go model. So what's this all about? We're talking about replacing data centers and legacy server infrastructure. In the world of IT infrastructure today, the systems that companies or organizations use to run payrolls, keep hospitals up and running, are physically large and costly. Large capital projects are needed to buy them, and then installation and delivery can take weeks or even months. Since capacity is hard to forecast, IT departments buy way more than they know they need today and hope that it lasts them for the next 3 to 5 years. That's just not an efficient way to run a business. Smart clients know they need to focus on their core business operations, not on low-value tasks such as capacity planning or server maintenance. And the cloud can help them avoid all of this. So let me use an example from the field of medicine. When you go to your doctor, you want them to focus on interpreting your MRI results and coming up with the best treatment plan for you, not fixing MRI machines between appointments. So without getting deep into technology, I want you to ask more questions. For instance, can your clients take better advantage of their IT or highly skilled resources by, can they take better advantage than to fix their machines? So now let's talk about how on-demand is handled today in the cloud environment. In the cloud environment, clients have rapid access to exactly the right amount of IT resources they actually need, and only when they need them. So similar to a light switch, you can turn it off when you no longer need it, and the charges simply stop. We've been able to help clients save as much as 15 to 30% on their total IT operating costs. And with your help at Deloitte, we need to talk to our clients more about these kind of conversations. This brings me to my other point about how the cloud is a powerful enabler of business innovation and agility. There are 2 key ways in which cloud technologies can be used to help clients save money and innovate for competitive advantage. The first is that having access to cloud services gives innovators a powerful way of experimenting low cost, and by experimenting more, they can bring new products and services to market faster. This is enabling entirely new industries to emerge. So consider, for instance, the e-gaming or the game streaming industries. There's now a fan base of 400 million viewers that access these services now on cloud platforms such as Twitch. Without cloud computing, these industries wouldn't even exist. Then there are additional benefits to transforming the way teams operate by adopting cloud-native approaches to development. What is cloud-native anyway? Cloud native is an approach to building and delivering applications that exploit capabilities that are unique to cloud services. So essentially, cloud service providers have automated tasks that were previously repetitive, manual, and error-prone. But changing the way you operate and taking advantage of these new automations actually requires new processes. And we at Deloitte are uniquely positioned to help clients figure out how to do this. So to wrap up, basically, I've taken you through how IT operations are run today in a traditional IT infrastructure world and how things can be done better on the cloud. Now we can have conversations with our clients to help them save money and stay ahead of the competition. I hope you're still with me. And if you're still wondering about my conversation with my stepdaughter, I did learn by asking questions that Cardi B is not a drink. She's a rap star. She's currently featured in Pepsi commercials. Esports, I gotta admit, I really don't get that one yet, but apparently watching other people play video games on the internet is a billion-dollar industry now. And finally, family Fortnite dance-offs can be a lot of fun. Thank you.